What's going on, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to diagnose either a bad pulley or a bad belt on a 8th gen Honda Civic Si, and I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how I'm personally going to figure it out for myself. So let's get to it. So first off, I'm sure you guys can hear that squeaky noise or rattle noise coming around this area where our pulleys are and the belt is. So a quick easy way to either eliminate your belt as being the noise or your pulleys to be in the noise is to grab a spray bottle of water and spray on the ribbed edge of your of the belt. And if that made the noise go away, then it is not a bad pulley. It is probably just a bad belt. So you're gonna want to take your belt off and inspect it. Only if spraying the water on that made it go away. If it didn't make it go away and it's still making that noise like it is right now, you're gonna want to turn your car off and take the belt off and inspect each pulley. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay guys, so now you're gonna want to take a 14 mil box wrench and throw it on to your tensioner pulley, which is right over here. It's the second one down to the left, right under this motor mount. So this is the tensioner pulley right here. Okay, so now we're gonna put our 14 mil box wrench onto the tensioner pulley. And I got my breaker bar right here. And I'm gonna put it at this side of the box wrench and torque towards you to release the tension. And the belt comes right off, like so. Okay, now we're gonna be checking for play in any of the pulleys, and we're gonna start with the idler pulley right up top. No wiggle in it. See if it makes any noise. I mean, not too much, maybe a little bit. Might still end up replacing this one just to avoid any further headaches down the road. But let's move on to the tensioner pulley. Yeah, guys, so I think we found our issue. Oh wow, yeah, this thing is wiggly, guys. So the tensioner pulley is really wiggly, and it's making quite some noise. So I definitely think it's going to be our tensioner pulley. But if you guys were to go ahead and check the rest of them, for example, your water pump, alternator, whatever, you're just going to want to do the same thing. Just basically check for wiggle and just see if there's any noise when you move them, and just check for cracked bearings. Check for any cracks in the pulleys. In my case, this one looks fine, and the tensioner pulley definitely looks pretty shot. And as you guys seen, there's quite some wiggle in that, so that's obviously our issue. So yeah, basically, just go ahead and check the rest of your pulleys, and it should be pretty obvious which one is the bad one. It's definitely going to have either some wiggle in it, or it's going to be making some type of noise when it's rotating or spinning. So stay tuned for my future videos. I'm definitely going to be making a video on how to install a tensioner pulley / idler pulley. Because more than likely I'm just going to do both of them. But yeah, so I hope this video was useful to any of you guys trying to diagnose a bad pulley or a bad belt. If you guys have been hearing any noise, any squeaky noise where your pulleys are at. So anyways, stay tuned for more videos, guys. We're going to be wrenching on the SI a lot this winter, obviously. And I got the body kit right here, FD2 conversion in the process. So stay tuned. If you guys don't know, I am converting the SI to an FD2 Type R, and I got the rear conversion pretty much all laid out, and I just need to send some things in for paint. And I also got a Voltex rear diffuser, so that's going to be really cool to put when it's all put together. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was useful for anyone out there, and peace out, fam.